This is my collection of Wild Republic, like, birds with sound. These two in the front are my favorites, Birtay and Ghostbird. Then in front of the bigger birds are babies. I also have a cricket, a dragonfly, and a squirrel. But the rest are all birds. Hold on. These in here are the ones that don't make sound anymore. I pretend they are dead. Yep. I don't know why this one won't stand up. Hi, everybody. Who's watching? If it's Willa, hi. If it's Maggie, hi. If it's someone else, hi. Now you'll hear their sound. Oh, she's the leader. Hi, my club name is the Milky Ways. What the? That one's not mine. This one's not mine either. All the ones that are not mine are my sister's. Like this one, you might have been wondering why I left it in there. It's my sister's. Well, anyway, bye. Goodbye.